Millions of working families have begun receiving their first installment of the increased child tax credit. As Elise Preston reports, the monthly payment is part of the American Rescue Plan that Congress passed in March.
Payments for nearly 60 million children, totaling $15 billion, went out today. President Biden says the increased child tax credit will give working families some breathing room and halve child poverty rates in America.
This has the potential to reduce child poverty in the same way that the Social Security reduced poverty for the elderly.
The monthly payments will help more families right away, like mother of two Evelyn Mitchell Irby. The Memphis real estate agent temporarily stopped working to battle breast cancer.
Just taking the time off and the recuperation and things like that, not to mention just the mental struggle.
The child tax credit is up from $2,000 to $3,600 for kids under 6 and $3,000 for older children. Half the money will be paid out over 6 months. Parents will have to claim the rest on their tax returns, and families have to make under a certain amount to qualify. For a married couple filing jointly, that's $150,000 or less. The IRS will send out money based on last year's tax return. So people who started making more money this year and no longer qualify for the credit need to go to irs.gov and opt out.
Because if you get it and you don't qualify, you have to pay back that money to Uncle Sam next tax season.
Mitchell Irby is now cancer-free and working again, but the extra money is welcome after months of lost wages.
Everything has increased, so at least being able to help put a dent in some of those bills will be great.
A financial boost helping her move forward as she puts the past year behind her. Elise Preston, CBS News, New York.